Okay, notice the wording here. It says expand. Well, expand means the same as multiply or find the product. We're going to multiply these two binomials together. So same method as before. 5x times 2x will give us 10x squared. 5x times negative 7 will give us negative 35x. Negative 3 times 2x will give us negative 6x. And negative 3 times negative 7 will give us positive 21. Then we need to combine our like terms. So with the only terms here that are like terms are the two terms that have the x raised to a first power. Remember, like terms means the variable plus any exponent on that variable must be exactly the same. So those two terms can be added together or combined. So that will give us, for the final result here, 10x squared minus 41x plus 21.